Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't joined us before, we are Roaming with the Richards. My name's Jonathan. This is Charlotte, and then my wife Angelica is right beside her. We are here at Dollywood, and we're in front of the Imagination Playhouse, where he gets transformed into Santa's workshop. When Santa decides to take a break from the North Pole, he comes down here to the Smoky Mountains. Let's go inside and check on it, see if we made the naughty and nice list. So Charlotte, who are you gonna go see?
Santa.
Santa.
Come on in, you guys. You're gonna find your group numbers inside, okay? We're gonna find them. Welcome you all to Santa's List, Naughty or Nice. Now, I don't know if you all know this, but Santa Claus actually loves the great Smoky Mountains. And can I get a drum roll, please? Santa is here right now. Santa is working away in his little mountain cabin. Now, what do you guys think Santa could be working on right now? What do you think, my friend? Toys, yes. But how does Santa know who's been good and who's been bad? And who to send what toys to? Yes, the naughty and nice list. So you guys, Santa is working on that most important naughty and nice list. And you all are going to get to peek in and see Santa working on that very list. And this is the best part. If Santa isn't too busy, you all just might get a chance to say hello to Santa, the man himself, and talk to him for a little bit. Well, but I bet you guys are wondering, now hold on, Sugar Plum, if Santa is busy working on the list, he's got so many names to check, he's so busy, how is he going to know what I want for Christmas? And well, that is a very, very important question. So, you all are going to create your very own Christmas wish list, okay? So, inside here is a wish list and a pencil. So, you're going to take that pencil and that wish list out, you're going to write down all your wishes to Santa, and then you're going to take that pencil, put it on your clipboard, you will hand that back to me, Sugar Plum. And then, I want you to hold up this letter in the air, and then I'll know you're ready to mail it, and we will mail your letter together in this very special mailbox. Okay, and one more very important thing. See this letter right here? So, you don't have to lick these letters to seal them, because licking them, it tastes kind of gross, and we actually have a special team of letter-licking elves who will do that for you, okay? So, what do you guys do with the pencil? Where do you put it? On the clipboard. And what do we not do to this letter? We don't lick it. Thank you. Okay, so what I need from you all is to stay on your numbers and think about what you want for Christmas. And I am going to deliver this special package to each of you. Can I get a big thumbs up if that made sense? Perfect. Okay, great. And if you have any questions for me, my name is Sugar Plum, like the Sugar Plum Fairy, or like visions of sugar plums, okay?
Alright, so we got our clipboard. And Charlotte's gonna tell us what she wants for Christmas so we can send it off to Santa.
Okay. You want to take it out? Get it?
Wish list. Dear Santa, here are my Christmas wishes for this year. All right, let's put it on the clipboard. Put it in here.
Alright, so she got done with her wish list. So she wants a jingle bell, Legos, a castle, books, giraffe, a knight, and it looks like Mama signed that name.
She didn't want to sign it, so I signed it for her.
Alright, well we gotta fold that up, put it in the envelope, and send it off to Santa.
Send it to him so that he knows your name and what you want for Christmas.
never was any good at keeping a secret. You know, Santa loves the Smoky Mountains almost as much as I do. And he has been tucked away in his little cozy cabin, just working away to make sure all the good boys and girls are on that special list. We wanted to invite you to take a peek. Shh. Now let's try not to disturb Santa, because he's working, and we don't want him to accidentally forget a name on this very important list. Now, which list will you be on? The naughty or the nice one? Now, I can recall a few Christmases growing up that my brothers and sisters and I should have ended up on the naughty list. But the good thing is, somehow we always stayed on Santa's good side. And I want to wish all of you and yours happy holidays and say Merry Christmas to you.
So Charlotte, what did you think of the snow?
Like playing in the snow?
You like playing in the snow? Yeah, you wish you could play in the snow, don't you?
Hello, how are you? Charlotte, that's your name? Charlotte?
Charlotte.
How old are you?
You're gonna.
Is this a good age to be? Yes? Who are you here with today? Are you with Mom? Okay, Mom and Dad. Yes? Who are these guys back here? Who's that? Who's behind you?
Who's behind you, Charlotte?
Who am I? Who is this? And who is that? You brought the whole crew with you. I love it. All right, Charlotte, was it your first time at Dollywood? No. I'm hearing two different answers, so it's not your
So I say I'm a veteran in it.
Oh, you're a pro at this.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm a pro
So,
at it.
are we locals, I'm assuming? No, where are we
about-
visiting from?
Upstate South Carolina, about 3 hours away.
That's not too bad, not too bad. Did we drive here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, have we been here since the park opened?
Say
You
yes.
guys are doing very well tonight. All right, Charlotte, what have we done today?
Sleep.
I'm jealous. I'm jealous of you, Mom. Did you ride anything? Did you eat anything? You were eat. I love that meal. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready to go see Santa? I think they are. Will you guys follow me? Well. All right. Now Santa's very busy, but let's see if we can go say hi and get a little list, okay? You'd like to come on over here? You can sit right here and face this window, okay? Need help? I think you've got it. All right. Can you turn around this way? This way, you're gonna turn around this way? Good job, right there. Okay. Now, when I put a knock, we'll see if Santa's home. You guys ready? You can sit down too if you want to. All right, here we go. Ready?
All right, guys. So we got done meeting Santa. Really great experience meeting him and seeing if we get made the naughty or nice list, especially for Charlotte. We kind of bribe it that way to make it the list. So Charlotte did make the nice list, as you saw.
Yep.
This is the experience here at Dollywood for the Santa's workshop or the Santa's list. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if y'all did, help us out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, check us out on Facebook and TikTok, and we'll catch y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Later.